Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Minecraft blocks with paper. First, gather your materials. You'll need paper, a good pair of scissors, and some reliable glue. Next, find and print out some Minecraft block templates. These templates are crucial for getting the correct shapes and sizes. Make sure to use a sturdy type of paper, like cardstock, so your finished blocks are strong and hold their shape well. This preparation ensures a smooth crafting process. Now that you have your templates, it's time for precision. Carefully cut along all the solid lines of your printed template. Take your time to ensure clean edges, as this will affect the final look of your block. Once cut, fold along all the dotted lines. These lines indicate where your block will form its three-dimensional shape. Making crisp, accurate folds is key to achieving sharp, defined edges for your Minecraft block. With your pieces cut and folded, it's time to assemble your Minecraft block. Apply a thin, even layer of glue to the small tabs on your template. Avoid using too much glue, as it can make the paper soggy. Carefully press these tabs against the corresponding sides of the block, aligning them perfectly. Hold each glued section firmly in place for a few seconds until the glue begins to set, ensuring a strong bond. To finalize your awesome Minecraft blocks, check for any weak seams and reinforce them with a little extra glue if needed. Once dry, you can personalize your blocks even further. Use markers, colored pencils, or paint to add details or create unique textures, making them truly your own. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy displaying your handmade paper Minecraft creations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.